When you have a really tough day ahead of you, high-fiber, whole-grain Weetabix at breakfast can make a big difference.
It's Weetabix!
It's now Weetabix.
It's a Weetabix.
Bimigen, meditimin na.
You had your Weetabix, it just might change your day.